Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's update on Tropical Storm Melissa. So, Tropical Storm Melissa formed earlier today, and as of the 7 p.m. update, Tropical Storm Melissa has 50 mile per hour winds, 55 mile per hour gusts, westerly movement at 15 miles per hour, and a minimum central pressure of 1,003 millibars, and poses a major flash flooding threat to Jamaica, Cuba, and Hispaniola. Taking a look at the latest cone, as we go into Saturday 1 p.m., we're now looking at a 75 mile per hour Category 1 hurricane with 90 mile per hour gusts as it creeps towards Jamaica. And notice this is all the way to Saturday, and our storm will have only moved from down here to over here, meaning that we're going to be seeing at least 5 to 7 days of rainfall across many of these areas, unfortunately. First, taking a look at our watches and warnings, we have a tropical storm watch in effect for Jamaica and a hurricane watch now in effect for southwestern Haiti. Taking a look at the latest tracks, the latest tracks have actually shifted to the west now since earlier. We now see a lot of the models taking hurricane or future Hurricane Melissa south of Jamaica over the next several days, with a few curving to the northeast through Cuba and the Bahamas after that. But we have seen a shift to the west in the models over the last few hours. And looking at our ensembles, you can see the shift in the ensembles as well. Looking at our European ensembles, we see more going into the Western Caribbean, still a lot curving northeast through Cuba and Jamaica. Looking at the GFS ensembles are still further to the east, with a lot going through Hispaniola, the Bahamas, Cuba, but now some are going into Belize, the Yucatan, and western Cuba. This trend has to be watched very closely because if Tropical Storm Melissa continues to trend more and more to the west, this could put areas of southeastern Florida in play, unfortunately. Taking a look at our intensity model guidance, this has rapidly strengthened since earlier this evening, looking at a tropical storm for the next 4 days, but now we're seeing signs that we could be seeing a major hurricane from Tropical Storm Melissa over the next 5 to 6 days, with several of the models indicating a Category 3, and we even see a group of models taking Tropical Storm Melissa up to Category 4, even Category 5 status in about the next 6 days or so. This also has to be watched very closely. And looking at our rainfall accumulations, looking at our GFS model, we could be seeing as much as 7 to 21 inches of rainfall in Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands. I think this is going to be shifted a bit further west as the trends continue to shift to the west. And looking at our European model for rainfall accumulations, we're looking at about 7 to 20 inches of rain in eastern Cuba, about 8 to 16 inches of rainfall in the southeastern Bahamas, Turks and Caicos. Southern areas of Hispaniola could see as much as 10 to 20 plus inches of rain. Southwestern Haiti could see as much as 15 to over 35 inches of rainfall accumulation. If this happens, this will result in a devastating, life-threatening, catastrophic flash flooding for areas of southwestern Haiti and the Dominican Republic. And looking at Jamaica in our European model for rainfall accumulation, we could be seeing as much as 17, 19, 23, 25, 40 plus inches of rainfall is possible in areas of Jamaica from hurricane or future Hurricane Melissa. So this is a very dangerous unfolding situation, and I'm going to keep you guys updated over the next several days on Hurricane Melissa.